Bold design, daily practicality, and efficient battery electric performance define the all-new 2027 Toyota Highlander. Completely redesigned inside and out, with seating for up to 7 passengers, the latest Highlander is Toyota's all-electric SUV built to move the entire family in comfort. It also marks a major milestone as Toyota's first 3-row battery electric vehicle, BEV, for the US market and the first BEV the brand will assemble in America. The new Highlander is engineered to be a stylish, technology-driven standout in the mid-size SUV segment, said David Christ, Toyota Group Vice President of Marketing. With its sleek design, roomy interior, and advanced features, it's an exciting addition to Toyota's expanding BEV lineup. The 2027 Highlander showcases a modern exterior highlighted by smooth body lines, wide fenders, full-width LED daytime running lights, and flush door handles that enhance aerodynamic efficiency. Inside, the cabin delivers a high-tech experience with a large 14-inch touchscreen, a 12.3-inch digital driver display, customizable ambient lighting, and convenient device charging for every row. An available fixed panoramic glass roof, the largest ever offered by Toyota, floods the interior with natural light and creates a more open, airy atmosphere. All 2027 Highlander models come standard with a battery electric powertrain and will be offered in 2 trims, XLE and Limited. The XLE will be available in either front-wheel drive or electronic all-wheel drive. XLE forward models will feature a standard 77.0 kWh battery, while XLE AWD models can be equipped with either a 77.0 kWh or a larger 95.8 kWh battery. The Limited trim comes exclusively with AWD and the 95.8 kWh battery. AWD models will also include capabilities such as multi-terrain select and crawl control. Every Highlander is equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 4.0 and Toyota Audio Multimedia as standard, delivering advanced safety and entertainment across the lineup. Built to comfortably accommodate everyone on board, the 2027 Toyota Highlander features a roomy, thoughtfully designed interior with available 3-row seating for up to 7 passengers. The cabin offers an upscale atmosphere, highlighted by standard soft-text trimmed seats, soft-touch surfaces across the dashboard and door panels, and adjustable ambient lighting to create the perfect mood. Heated front seats come standard, while available options include ventilated front seats and heated second-row seating. When more cargo room is needed, the 3rd row folds flat to open up over 45 cubic feet of rear storage space. Leading the way in innovation, the new Highlander introduces vehicle-to-load (V2L) capability, making it the first Toyota sold in the US to function as a mobile power source. This feature allows the vehicle to supply power for items such as appliances at a tailgate or provide backup electricity for the home during outages. V2L works alongside Toyota's Charge Assist and Eco Charge systems, which help optimize charging during off-peak hours or when renewable energy is available. Additional information on these features and related accessories will be shared at a later date. One of the defining advantages of battery electric vehicles is their engaging driving experience, thanks to instant torque delivery at a low center of gravity. Toyota engineers set out to ensure the all-electric Highlander delivers both efficiency and excitement. With the new Highlander, our aim was to create a BEV that seamlessly fits into customers' lives while delivering strong acceleration and a quiet, refined ride, said Chief Engineer Yoshinori Futanagon. AWD-equipped models produce an impressive 338 net combined horsepower and 323 pounds-foot of maximum torque, while forward models offer 221 net combined horsepower and 198 pounds-foot of torque. The 2027 Highlander becomes the 4th battery electric vehicle in Toyota's lineup, joining the Toyota BZ, BZ Woodland, and CHR. In total, Toyota plans to offer 22 models with electrified powertrains in the near future. The new Highlander will be built in the United States at Toyota's Georgetown, Kentucky facility, with batteries sourced domestically from Toyota's newly opened $13.9 billion battery production plant in Liberty, North Carolina, along with a supplier partner. Sales are expected to begin in late 2026 and continue into early 2027. For more than 25 years, the Toyota Highlander has played a meaningful role in family life. The nameplate made its debut at the New York International Auto Show in April 2000, with the first-generation 2001 Highlander built on a modified version of the Toyota Camry's unibody platform. At a time when most SUVs relied on body-on-frame construction, this approach was groundbreaking. As Toyota's entry into the mid-size unibody SUV segment, the Highlander delivered car-like handling, a roomy cabin, and a rugged yet refined design that quickly resonated with buyers. Toyota expanded the Highlander lineup in 2005 with the introduction of the Highlander Hybrid for the 2006 model year. This marked Toyota's first hybrid SUV and only the brand's second hybrid vehicle, following the Prius. The hybrid model earned widespread recognition, including an Automotive Excellence Award from Popular Mechanics in 2006 and a Top Pick honor from Consumer Reports in the midsize SUV category in 2007. The second-generation Highlander followed shortly after, featuring a more polished exterior, upgraded interior materials, and new technologies such as a rear-view camera and an available navigation system. It also represented a major milestone as the first Highlander assembled in the United States, with production beginning in 2009 at Toyota Motor Manufacturing Indiana in Princeton, Indiana. As the years passed, the Highlander continued to grow and evolve into a more refined crossover SUV. The third-generation model, unveiled in 2013, introduced bolder styling along with advanced driver assistance technologies, including Toyota Safety Sense. In 2019, the fourth-generation Highlander arrived with increased interior space, an enhanced hybrid powertrain, and sharper body lines along the doors and fenders. The 2027 Highlander marks the beginning of the fifth generation, continuing the model's legacy of constant evolution, blending modern design, everyday practicality, elevated comfort, and improved efficiency for the next chapter of the Highlander story. When Toyota's designers and engineers reimagined the Highlander as a battery electric vehicle, their goal was to deliver a sense of refined adventure. This vision led to the concept of a best experience vehicle, centered on creating a Highlander that supports efficient, safe, and comfortable travel for families, without sacrificing style or capability. Our design objective was to develop a new Highlander that retains the strong proportions expected of an SUV while embracing the advanced, high-tech character of electric performance, said Chief Designer Masayuki Yamada. We carefully balanced aerodynamics, interior space, and versatility so the vehicle feels equally at home in sophisticated urban settings or outdoor-focused lifestyles. The 2027 Highlander is built on a newly adapted Toyota Next Generation Architecture (TNGA-K) platform, engineered specifically to accommodate its high-capacity battery while maximizing cabin space. Aerodynamic efficiency is enhanced through front and rear underfloor covers that improve airflow, along with front and rear spats designed to reduce turbulence around the tires. To create a quieter, more refined ride, extensive noise-reducing materials are used throughout the vehicle, including the doors, pillars, wheel wells, roof, and underfloor. Acoustic glass for the windshield and front side windows further enhances cabin serenity. To achieve a more modern silhouette and confident stance, Toyota adjusted the Highlander's proportions. Overall height is reduced to 67.3 inches, lowering the roofline by 0.8 inch compared to the previous model, while width grows to 78.3 inches, an increase of 2.3 inches. The wheelbase expands significantly to 120.1 inches, up from 112 inches. These changes give the Highlander a more planted, agile appearance, with wheels pushed closer to the corners, while also increasing interior space. At the front, the 2027 Highlander showcases Toyota's signature hammerhead design, highlighted by slim daytime running lights positioned separately from the main headlamps. The linear DRL elements are seamlessly integrated into the front fascia, reinforcing a look defined by strength and simplicity. Broad surfaces, a thick swept-back grille, and geometric bumper contours that frame the headlights create a clean, contemporary presence. A wide range of exterior color options further enhances the Highlander's expressive design. Single-tone finishes include the all-new Spellbound, along with Wind Chill Pearl, Heavy Metal, Everest, Reservoir Blue, and Midnight Black Metallic. Two-tone combinations are also offered, pairing Spellbound, Wind Chill Pearl, Heavy Metal, or Everest with a contrasting black roof. Inside, the cabin features a clean, modern color palette with black, portobello, and the new misty gray interior options. Inside, the all-new Toyota Highlander is designed to deliver a spacious, refined, and technology-driven cabin experience. The interior emphasizes openness and comfort, paired with a clean, modern layout. A driver-focused cockpit features a customizable LED digital instrument cluster, intuitive climate controls operated by physical buttons, and a large slim bezel touchscreen. An available head-up display adds key driving information directly into the driver's line of sight. Standard ambient lighting, with 64 selectable colors, allows occupants to tailor the cabin atmosphere, and it's seamlessly linked to Safe Exit Assist, with door-mounted lights that flash to alert occupants of potential hazards. The seating combines durability with modern styling to enhance both comfort and visual appeal. All trims feature newly designed Softex trim seats, with heated front seats standard across the lineup. The limited grade adds exclusive textured upholstery, ventilated front seats, and heated second-row seating. Second-row captain's chairs are standard, while an available bench seat is offered on the XLE AWD model. The third row comfortably accommodates 2 adults and is easily accessed thanks to an electronically assisted one-touch fold function on the second row seats. Interior space is carefully engineered to maximize everyday usability. The center console includes a standard dual-Qi wireless charging tray, angled to keep devices securely in place and finished in a soft synthetic suede material. USB-C charging ports are positioned throughout the cabin, including on the backs of the front seats for second-row passengers and along the rear window ledges for third-row occupants. Second-row passengers can easily adjust rear climate settings via controls located on the back of the center console, while available rear window shades provide added privacy and comfort. Storage solutions throughout the Highlander are both practical and thoughtfully executed. The multifunction center console incorporates a small item tray, cup holders, and an under-tray compartment, while the main console box offers a secure place for valuables. Additional storage areas for phones and tablets are integrated into the standard second-row console, with cup holders conveniently placed in the third row as well. In total, the cabin features 18 cup holders. A standard hands-free power liftgate makes loading the rear cargo area effortless, and when additional space is needed, the third row seats fold flat quickly and easily via a lever located in the cargo area. The 2027 Toyota Highlander lineup offers multiple battery and driving range configurations, allowing customers to choose the option that best suits their lifestyle and driving needs. Available configurations include XLE front-wheel drive with a 77.0 kWh battery, delivering a manufacturer estimated 287 miles of total driving range. XLE all-wheel drive with a 77.0 kWh battery, offering an estimated 270 miles of range. XLE all-wheel drive with a larger 95.8 kWh battery, providing an estimated 320 miles of range. Limited all-wheel drive with a 95.8 kWh battery, also delivering an estimated 320 miles of range. Every Highlander comes standard with a North American Charging System (NACS) port, enabling access to thousands of Level 3 DC fast charging stations across the country. Under optimal conditions, DC fast charging can replenish the battery from 10% to 80% in approximately 30 minutes. For added convenience, the vehicle also supports Level 1 and Level 2 AC charging, with a dual voltage 120 volts/240 volts charging cable included as standard equipment. To further enhance charging performance, the Highlander is equipped with a battery preconditioning system that prepares the battery to reach its ideal temperature for fast charging. This feature can be activated manually through vehicle settings or automatically when using the navigation system to route to a DC fast charging station via an active Drive Connect trial or subscription. Plug-and-charge capability is also included, allowing the vehicle to automatically identify and authenticate itself at compatible charging networks, eliminating the need for multiple charging apps and streamlining the charging process. The 2027 Toyota Highlander is equipped with the latest generation of Toyota audio multimedia, developed in North America through a collaboration between Toyota Motor North America and Toyota Connected North America. Powered by AT&T 5G connectivity, the upgraded system features a clean, smartphone-inspired interface with a redesigned home screen that supports customizable widgets. Enhanced built-in voice assistant functionality delivers quicker, more natural responses to "Hey Toyota" commands. Working seamlessly with the center touchscreen, Toyota Audio Multimedia offers added flexibility with standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, along with the ability to connect 2 Bluetooth phones at the same time. Entertainment options are expanded with the addition of SiriusXM with 360 liters registered and newly available integrated Spotify streaming, with separate subscriptions required. Native turn-by-turn navigation now extends to the full digital gauge cluster for the first time, allowing drivers to view directions directly in front of them without shifting focus from the road. The 2027 Highlander also includes a standard built-in drive recorder, a dashcam style feature that uses the vehicle's exterior cameras to automatically or manually capture 20-second video clips while driving. In addition, the Highlander comes with a suite of connected services trials, including Drive Connect with Intelligent Assistant, cloud navigation featuring 3D maps and destination assist, as well as Safety Connect and Service Connect. Through the Toyota mobile app, customers can access Remote Connect features to stay connected with their vehicle, including remote charging functions that allow users to monitor charging status, start or stop charging while plugged in, and manage charging schedules. The app also includes an easy-to-use charging station locator, helping drivers find nearby stations or plan charging stops along their route for a more seamless ownership experience. The 2027 Toyota Highlander is equipped with the latest version of Toyota Safety Sense, TSS 4.0, delivering upgraded hardware, enhanced detection capabilities, and an expanded suite of active safety and driver assist technologies. Standard features include pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, pieces with PD, designed to identify vehicles, pedestrians, bicyclists, and motorcyclists in certain conditions. The system provides audible and visual collision warnings, and can apply automatic emergency braking if the driver does not respond. Full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, DRCC, an adaptive cruise control system that operates at speeds above 20 miles per hour, using vehicle-to-vehicle distance control to help maintain a selected following distance. Lane departure alert with steering assist, LDAW/SA, monitors lane markings and road edges at speeds over 30 miles per hour, alerting the driver to unintentional lane departures and providing gentle steering input to help keep the vehicle centered if no corrective action is taken. Automatic high beams, AHB, automatically switches between high and low beams by detecting oncoming headlights and the taillights of vehicles ahead. Lane tracing assist, LTA, works alongside DRCC to help keep the vehicle centered in its lane by providing steering assistance. Road sign assist, RSA, uses a forward-facing camera to recognize select traffic signs, such as speed limits and stop signs, and displays this information in the multi-information display. Proactive driving assist, PDA, utilizes camera and radar data to provide subtle braking and steering support, helping maintain proper following distance and smooth vehicle control when operating conditions are met. Beyond TSS 4.0, the Highlander also features Toyota's Star Safety System, which includes enhanced vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, brake assist, anti-lock braking system, and smart stop technology. Front and rear parking assist with automatic braking comes standard, while available convenience technologies include the panoramic view monitor and advanced park. The 2027 Highlander also offers a wide range of standard convenience features, such as a rear seat reminder, backup camera with dynamic grid lines, smart key with push-button start, blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, tire pressure monitor system with individual tire location and real-time pressure readouts, and hill start assist control, adding everyday confidence and ease behind the wheel.